If you are following along, you are going to be met with our dashboard. Now, at the very top of the dashboard, we have 4 different categories of areas that we are going to focus on. Now, this comes from our book, Our Best Workflow Secrets. This is a real estate agent's guide to success, even in a changing market. And my business partner, Mark, and I wrote this book. And essentially what I did is I took all 3 decades of his frameworks, his teaching, and his concepts that he has shared with real estate agents to help them build out successful businesses using systems and automations. And I boiled it down into a book and I shared it with Mark. Mark and I worked together to write and build out additional infrastructure. Inside of it, it's a it's a key to success for you. So it's available on Amazon if you're interested in it. But we took a framework out of this and I applied it to the building of the Systems Accelerator Manager. And that is done through what I call the core score.